already starting. I didn't know crabs went climbing in trees. Let's grill this baby. Suck it straight out of the tube. I can see my old shelter and the chair is still there. Still looking pretty good considering it's been out here for 10 months. The bed's held up pretty well, the roof not so much. So I'm gonna have to fix that up because it could be raining tonight, as you can see from the little chair down here. Whoop, watch out. I'm not really sure how I'm going to lower this down without my whole bed falling apart, but it's good to know my knots worked at least. Some sticks stuck to my rope. Let's see if my new knots are as good as my old knots. At least it's not such a long fall if I do go down this time. Feels pretty solid, it's not going anywhere. It's the giant version. Aha! Looking for some straight long pine trees. Look at this one. You can see the beach in the background. It's kind of strange to have pine so close to the beach. Might have to go soak in one of those tide pools later after some hard work. If you're wondering if I'm chopping down alive trees, don't worry, these are dead. This is bone dry. It smells good too. these. Good measuring stick. It's starting to sprinkle, so I need to hurry up. I've got small sticks, palm leaves, and then big clumps of pine needles. I'm gonna put my gloves on because my hands are getting a bit sore. I've got a nice patch over there where I can grab some big clumps from. If you're careful, you can get some really big ones in one piece. Everything keeps just sliding straight down because it's so vertical. I had to reinforce it with some more sticks. Oh, my back is killing me. I'm gonna have a break because it started sprinkling. I'm gonna hop under here and test it out. Have something to eat. Where are my chickpeas at? Does it look funny? There's two strings hanging down. I've got so many sticks in my hair. My favourite hair decoration, old man's beard. It's taken me about 5 hours to do this. I'll give you a little tour in a minute. Alright, you want to see my shelter for the night? The roof has got lots of pine needles on it. Inside is very cozy and there's mosquitoes in here everywhere. Landing even on my eyelids. This is the back. Looks like a cute little hut. We'll see if it withstands rain, wind. I look forward to leaving it out here for another 10 months and coming back and seeing what it looks like. I wonder if it'll last as well as the old one. We'll see. They're like neon orange. The little tiny she oak. Looks like a little sombrero with a Pinocchio underneath it. Let's go see how far this tide has come in. Oh my god! Someone's been eating a big crab. Look how strange this shell is. It's such a weird shape. That one. That would have been a good feed. It's too windy out there, so I'm going to drop off my goodies and go swimming in the river. Look at these crab balls. Must be a big crab under there. Why are they just balls? I thought there would be a hole underneath it. It's muddy. Oh, there's so many crabs in there. Does remind me of crocodile territory. I was going to go swimming here, but it is a bit too murky and it smells a bit funky as well, so I think I'll just go back to the beach and brave the wind. Not really croc country here, but the water is still giving me the heebie-jeebies a little bit with the murkiness, so I think I just prefer not to swim in that. I didn't know crabs went climbing in trees. Not that high anyway. These are the evil bindies that try to attack me. Little demonstration for you. If you walk past one of these and it brushes up against you, they're all going to get stuck to you. And they're quite spiky. Oh no, I'm just chucking... Ow! That one hurt. Chucking bindies around everywhere. A bit. I think I really need to go back to my shelter. Look at the sky. That looks like heavy rain is coming. It's already starting. There's rain on the camera already. Dang it. Oh my gosh, it's so dark in here now I can barely even see on the camera. I'm gonna have to get some lights ready. Well, everything here's still pretty dry, thankfully. Getting low on Vaseline. Pumpkin, onion, beetroot, capsicum, carrot, bit of a veggie medley. I'm going to leave those whole for the oven. Oh no! Why did I think that was a good idea? I'm even losing my garlic. Now I'm going to trap some heat in there by closing this off. I'll let that sit for 20 minutes and that should be good. I'm going to get my fire started again over here. This looks so cozy. I'm actually really excited to sleep in here tonight. I'm still a little bit raised off the ground, so hopefully no snakes will get to me, or bugs and other little mice and critters. My mozzie net will hopefully save me from these sandflies and mosquitoes that are out here. Looks pretty good. Oh no, there's a hole there. Lucky I double layered that alfoil. Hard to get this thing clean. That looks so good. Yummy Mediterranean couscous. I love it with the almonds. And the best part is the little garlic, you can just suck it straight out of the tube. So soft. That is cooked perfectly. My back's pretty sore from the day, crouching down under all these pine tree twigs and everything, so I'm pretty keen to have a lie down. I'll let you know how my sleep goes in the morning, if this is going to be a comfy bed or not. My shelter did alright. It did a bit of a sprinkle in the night and I stayed dry, so that was good. But I did have a major problem with some sandflies. I don't know why, but they're so tiny that they were just getting through my mosquito net. So I didn't sleep the best, but it wasn't because my shelter wasn't good. I need a bit of a pick me up, wake me up this morning. So I'm gonna go for a swim. I can hear the water lapping. I think the tide's going to be really high this morning. A bit different to last night with all those storm clouds. Let's do it. Going to be a bit fresh, I think. It's so murky. Right on the butt. Got a big scratch on here. It's really stinging from the salt water. It's a two-hand job. I kind of want to use this as an ornament on my camp, but I also want to see if it's possible to boil water in there. And I don't know what to do. These are the hard decisions out here in the bush. I think in the name of survival, I need to know if you can boil water inside a crab head. Let's grill this baby. Oh no, all the water's coming out already. It's kind of boiling on the edges. You can see the little bubbles. But it is starting to crack, so I'm not sure how feasible that is as a survival pot. If you just want some warm water for a tea, it's probably alright, but if you're trying to sanitize it, it's probably not good enough. Try not to put my fire out in the process. Oh no. This is the final touches to camp crab. I'll definitely be coming back here to do some bigger upgrades, but I need to bring some bigger saws for that so I can cut some bigger logs up because my current saws are not cutting it, literally. I'm so happy with how this turned out. If you want to see some extra moments from this video that weren't included in this version, you can find the link in the description down below, and subscribe and turn your notifications on or you might not see my face again. I'll catch you on the flip side. That was so cringy. I was trying to try something different, but that just didn't sound right. I'll see you on the next one. I need a new sign off, like something catchy, like a slogan. Chuck your ideas for me down in the comments for something I should say at the end of my videos.